Hey, we are so excited to be involved with WHP and their new MODx building system. The MODx is a modular building that can be built to any size and footprint. So in this modular building system today, we have our catalyst force entry door. We also have our brand new VES window with a double sash. So not only a horizontal sash, but a vertical sash. And then we also have on the top, on the second floor, we have our roof system. So some great products that create a variety of training evolutions once you come and utilize your MODx box. So we're really excited that we now have a catalyst force entry door that fits into the MODx system. Not only is the door have a completely new frame that was designed specifically for the MODx box, but now we can actually put in any of our catalyst force entry doors, whether they're mounted inward or outward. This also allows us to add our security screen door should we do an inward opening door. So for those areas where you want to be able to pull a security screen door and then push the inward opening door, this is a perfect evolution. And as you know, we come to a building, right? We generally are forcing the front door before we pull hose in. So if we get here, we can pull this door and now extend hose line. That is a closer evolution to what we're actually going to do on the fire ground. So on our new WHP door, we've created some new flashings that we're really excited about. Because our door jamb flexes, which is one of the key things about our door, is the flex our door jamb creates. We've created a rubber spacer in here, so now we no longer get the oiling that can happen when a piece of metal is under strain from something else moving against it. This allows simple and easy loading of the 2x2, as well as it allows the jamb to flex in its normal application. Our door works the same as all of our catalyst forcible entry doors. So we have our 3-pin system right here. We provide a doorknob and a deadbolt, just like you would see on a real door. And we also have our 2x2 capture. So on the WHP doors, mounted in this configuration, you can run all the standard consumables that we recommend, from 3/4 inch wood dowels, 2x2 fir, as well as 1/2 inch EMT metal tubing to create a really accurate outward opening door. We've also recently upgraded our sticker. So as you guys know, we are big fans of the Firefighter Rescue Survey. We now have the first 4,000 rescues, and we provide this on the front so that our firefighters will understand how important it is that they get to the event as quickly as possible, and here are the most likely places that they're gonna find a victim. This helps them prioritize their search, as well as realize that when we spend our time practicing and cutting time off of an evolution by practicing, and that includes practicing at the door, practicing throwing ladders, practicing pulling hose loads, all those things increase victim survival all the way down the chain of events. This is our brand new double sash window, right? So you can see we have both the sash running horizontal and vertical. It has 4 panes of polycarbonate glass that allow you to break this entire system out, make entry into the building, complete the full VES evolution, right? So this isn't just hit the window and stop. This is actually ladder the building, take out the window and the sash, make entry into the building, find the victim, make the rescue, and then transfer them out. Window can hold 400 pounds, no problem. The horizontal sash is held in place by 2 5/8 inch dowels at each end, right? And then what we utilize to do the top and the bottom sash is we have a 1x2 that's lodged through here that holds both of these, as well as a 1x2 in the bottom and top, and that stabilizes the sash both ways. Now, the question would be, well, if these are falling from the second floor, someone could get hurt. Absolutely right. So on the back side, we have chains run to each of them. So as they come apart, they stay together as a unit, and they're tied actually into the frame themselves. So the only thing that's gonna fall is this polycarbonate glass, super durable. You can use this hundreds and hundreds of repetitions. So a really good and safe system to use for your fire training evolutions. We're up on the second floor of the WHP MODx building. And as you can see, we have our roof prop here mounted and ready to go to work. Our roof prop allows you to put 3 panels of cutting area upon any of your MODx products. This is also a cantilever system, so this is one of 4 positions this roof can be in. From a 4-on-12 pitch to a 6-on-12 to an 8-on-12 pitch, this can move up and down into position. This is our new winch system and our new bracket. that we designed for this system to be able to easily lift. This bed, it also has an integrated brake into it. That means if you're cranking it up and you stop for no reason and walk away, it may go down at half turn, but it will automatically brake for safety. So to actually engage this going downward, you have to fully crank it the opposite direction, counterclockwise, to drop the system down. Otherwise, the automatic brake will kick in place and stop it from moving.